Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Probability. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video.
The given question is, complete the given statement. The probability of an event is greater than or equal to dash and less than or equal to dash. So let's see here. The question is like this, the probability. The question here is like this, the probability of, let me note down the question here. The probability of an event, the probability of an event is greater than or equal to the probability of an event is greater than or equal to dash. This is being asked, one part of the question, and the second part of the question says dash and less than or equal to dash. Guys, this type of questions you will just get very short in the short question section or in the MCQ section, where you will get only 1 mark. Now the question here is being said that the probability of an event is greater than or equal to dash and less than or equal to dash. So we very well know that the probability of an event plus probability of not an event is equal to 1. We very well know that the probability of event plus probability of not an event is 1. How? If a event occurs, that means we will get 1. That means the event will not occur is 0, so we will get 1. If a event will not occur, then we will get 0, and the event not occur means here we will get 1. This will become 1. In either case, the probability of an event revolves around 1 and 2, revolves around 1 and 0. The probability of an event revolves around 1 and 0. So that means the probability of an event revolves around 1 and 0. So as per the question, the probability of an event is greater than or equal to, that means a probability of an event is greater than or equal to 0. It is greater than 0. 1 is greater than 0. So the probability of an event is greater than or equal to 0, because it cannot be more than 1 or it cannot be less than 0. So that means the probability of an event is greater than or equal to 1. So I can write here 1. The probability of an event is greater than or equal to 1, and less than or equal to the other way, less than or equal to 0. The probability of an event can be less than 1 or equal to 0. It cannot be less than anything, or it cannot be negative. So as I told you, the probability of an event revolves around 1 and 0. So from here we could easily say that the probability of an event is greater than or equal to 1 and the less than or equal to 0. Hope you understood this definition or this process. But still, if you have any question or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.